Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by checking prerequisites, your account level, available currency, and event timing. Once done, secure 3 keys and 250 coins. This avoids stopping mid-run. Go directly to the Clockwork Panda spawn zone or vendor and stand ready. Make sure to clear nearby enemies to prevent wipes and enable any boosts or buffs that increase drop rates. You'll now initiate the acquisition sequence. Interact with the vendor or trigger the spawn using a key. Then monitor the short animation for confirmation that the process started. You now follow the core sequence. Enter the encounter, trigger the objective, and manage mechanics precisely. Once the miniboss appears, focus interrupts and movement. Use mount speed and item boosts to stay inside the 3-minute window. Make sure to call roles in your party so interrupts and heals are assigned. This prevents avoidable failures. While fighting, prioritize the mechanic that unlocks the Panda reward chest. Loot intermediate drops and immediately convert or salvage extras into required crafting pieces. You finish by redeeming components at the crafting station or vendor. Make sure inventory space is clear before you accept the reward. Once the Clockwork Panda appears, equip or bind it as required and confirm the success screen. If nothing drops, don't panic. Reset the instance, recheck that you still have the required keys and coins, and adjust your timing or party composition. One key troubleshooting tip: if spawn fails repeatedly, relog and retarget the exact spawn coordinates to clear any regional desync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.